Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Right now, I'm going to do NHL goal horns on a keyboard. We'll start with the Anaheim Ducks. The Arizona Coyotes. The Boston Bruins. The Buffalo Sabres. The Calgary Flames. The Carolina Hurricanes. The Chicago Blackhawks. The Colorado Avalanche. Wait, I'm sorry guys, that was a mistake. I'm going to make mistakes around this video, so you might expect that. Okay, that's not good either. I'm sorry guys. The Columbus Blue Jackets. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, that was bad. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. The Dallas Stars. The Detroit Red Wings. The Edmonton Oilers. No, not that. Now, we got the Florida Panthers, I believe. I'm sorry guys, that wasn't good. I'm gonna try another one. If it's stay long enough. Now we've got the Los Angeles Kings. The Minnesota Wild. Warning, this will be loud and deep. Next, we got the Montreal Canadiens. Next, we have the Nashville Predators. No way. Actually, I got a deeper one. Then next, we got the New Jersey Devils. the New York Islanders. Next, the New York Rangers. Actually, never mind. That's not the New York Rangers. Here are the New York Rangers. Now we got the Ottawa Senators. The Philadelphia Flyers. No. Sorry, guys. No. Sorry, guys. That's not it. The Pittsburgh Penguins. The San Jose Sharks. The Seattle Kraken. The St. Louis Blues. The Tampa Bay Lightning. No. I'm sorry, guys, that wasn't it. Nope. No. That's not it. Lightning. The Toronto Maple Leafs. The Vancouver Canucks, I believe. The Washington Capitals. This is going to be annoying. And now the end will be the Winnipeg Jets. That's not it. Sorry. I'm sorry, that's not it. That's not it. Sorry. That is it. Hope you have a great day, guys, and hope you like those. They're probably terrible, but I try my best. And so I'll see you later. Goodbye, guys.